Hello, my name is Marielle and I am a senior at Syracuse University. I am also Mr. Middleman's neighbor, which is probably why you are watching me right now. Here at Syracuse University, I major in computer science. Mr. Middleman asked me to share why I became a software engineer, what it's like interning at a big tech company like Microsoft, and why I think computer science is the coolest thing to be in right now. I am a very curious person. When I was younger, my dad bought me and my two sisters a computer. And on one side of it, my little sister was putting stickers on it. On the other side, I was taking it apart. Now, obviously my parents weren't too happy about me taking apart the computer, but I was just so curious to know what was inside that box that was telling my monitor what to display. My dad is a senior systems engineer at Lockheed Martin, and growing up he would take my sisters and I to Bring Your Kids to Work Day. Every year that I went, my interest in technology grew more and more. In high school, I knew what field I wanted to be in, but not exactly what I wanted to do yet. Then my junior year rolled around and my high school offered its first ever computer science class. I enrolled for my senior year, and when I took it, I had so much fun. Although I loved the class so much, it was my first time actually being introduced to computer science, and I spent a lot of time with my dad in the garage fixing cars or appliances in our house. I thought that I wanted to be a mechanical engineer. So when I started at Syracuse University, I took classes for mechanical engineering and computer science, and I quickly realized that I liked computer science a lot more than I thought I did. Here at Syracuse, engineers in their first year typically take the same classes, so it was really easy to switch my major to computer science. I have had 4 different internships, and my most recent one this past summer was with Microsoft. I worked in Bellevue, Washington on the Microsoft Teams application. I was on the framework shell team on the web application, and it was honestly the best experience I have ever had. I was assigned 2 projects coming in, and I was really nervous because I only had 10 weeks to complete them, and I didn't know everything. I worked on other projects, but every project is different, and I wasn't sure if I would learn everything in time to complete it. However, I had an amazing team that helped me with any question that I had. They also told me that they didn't know everything either. And I'm also super grateful for how welcoming everyone was. They even made me a goodbye book. So cute! When my internship ended, I was offered a full-time job to return after I graduate, and I took it. Mr. Middleman wanted me to go over offers a little bit. Without going into specific detail, I'll tell you a little bit of what they offer you. As of right now, I believe the starting salary for a software engineer at Microsoft, depending on where you work, is upwards of $100,000. Not only that, but you get health insurance, a signing bonus, you get stock. Plus, you get to work at a really cool company. Money aside, I am excited to be a software engineer because I get to work on things that people are actually going to be using. Technology is the future, and I would like to be able to say that I took a part in making that future. Now, if you are interested in learning about computer science, go on any search engine and type in courses or take a class. The options to learn are unlimited, and it'll be frustrating at times. I will guarantee you that, but just try it out for a bit. Thank you for watching, and I hope I've at least piqued your interest in technology and or computer science.